Hey guys, so I've got something new today. I've got my buddy Scratch here. He's been asking a lot if he could be on my videos. So yeah, finally letting him on. Uh, so you'll probably be seeing more of him. Oh, where are you going? Okay. What? What is it? Okay. Oh. Well, I thought you might want to see. Huh. Whoa! You okay there? Okay. Come on, man. Oh! I think that's enough of that. You really want to show him? Fine. Oh, I missed it. Where are you? Scratch! Come on out! This time I'll get it on camera, I promise. He likes to call him the drift. He likes to call himself the Drift King sometimes. Scratch, come on. Yeah, it's right down there for you, buddy. Really? Okay. Oh. Here we go now. No, not my shoe. Oh, that's what you wanted to show him, huh? Well, Scratch is actually small for his size. See, look, back up. Go to my shoe. Come on. Like, comparatively to my shoe. Look. Oh, sorry, Scratch. See, look at this. Here's Scratch. Here's my shoe. Look, here's my hand, too. See that? My hand is bigger. Yes, it is. Look. Go ahead, look at the camera. From the TV. See that? See how big that is? No, I am not forced perspective. Really? Why would I force perspective that? That's whatever. Yeah. See you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.